Okay, hi. And today I'm going to teach you how to shield clip. But instead of Breath of the Wild, it's real life. Okay. So first thing we're going to need to do is get a skew. And to get a skew, we need a slope. And for a slope, we need pretty much any slope. So I got my slope. As you can see, it's pretty steep. Yeah, there's the slope. And step one, getting the skew. Gonna wanna shield surf onto the slope. I wish I had a shield. Well, just pretend I have a shield. Okay. Got the dumb skew. Now, it's time to perform the actual clip. And I'm gonna be clipping into this ball.